My dear friends, the market is open, gap down, and we can see that sellers are in control. In our previous video, we discussed about the selling opportunity below 4700 because the level of 4700, though it was a psychological support, but it was tested many times, so we were expecting a selling opportunity below 4700. But the gap down opening below 4700 was little unexpected. So we can see that after the market opening, gold tried to recover, it failed, and 4700, which was the support, became the new resistance. You can see, okay, whenever gold tried to recover after the market opening, it faced resistance around 4700, means pure price action. Previous support became resistance, and after that, okay, the sellers took control, and now we can see that gold is heading downside. In our previous video, we also discussed about a bounce around 4675 area. So my dear friends, if you remember, then hope you made some money, because we discussed that we can expect a one-time bounce, and we got the one-time bounce around 4675 as well. Now we can see that gold is coming down to the next zone, which is 4660 to 4650. The blue box that you see here is the next support zone on the chart of gold, and to be honest, this is a very crucial zone, because if we just look at the chart here, or this particular portion of the chart, we can clearly see the market is sideways or market is choppy. But if gold breaks 4650, then the structure of the market will change and market will be going down. If market breaks 4650, okay, we can expect gold to head towards 4500. So my dear friends, 4660, 4650, you can say that is the last defense, okay, on the chart of gold right now on the 15 minutes time frame here. Okay, if I zoom out, you can see if market breaks this particular support here, then the structure of the market will change completely like this. And if you want, you can go for a sell position as well. And if you're already holding a sell, you can hold your sell position, because there is a possibility that at one point buyers, okay, the buyers will surrender. So here I am expecting a bounce here. I'm not expecting a trend reversal. See, trend reversal and one time bounce are different things. Trend reversal means market is going up, there is a change in the direction of the market because of the sentiment change. Market sentiment gives direction. Right now we can see the market sentiment is bearish, so there is a good possibility that buyers will try to fight, but one point they will surrender and market will go down. So if market, right now we can see the market is not taking support, okay, but after a few minutes, if we see the market is trying to go up, market is showing price rejection from below, we can look for a one-time bounce of around 80 to 100 pips, okay, one candle, that's it. Or if you do not want to take any risk, then wait and watch. If market breaks 4650 after some consolidation, you can look for a sell position here below as well. But keep in mind, okay, consolidation is important. Let me show you one thing. So you can see market is falling straight away, okay, so you cannot expect the market to go down like this continuous, no, okay. If market consolidates around 4660, 4650, after that the breakdown will be stronger. If you see that gold, after one small bounce, gold is consolidating around 4660 to 4650 for 1 hour, 2 hours, then you can expect a big breakdown below 4650. If that happens, you can look for a sell as well, okay. And right now, okay, let's not waste time by discussing about the upside levels, because at first gold needs to cross 4750, then it needs to cross 4765, okay, so that it can recover. Right now the chances of recovery are less, my dear friends. If gold breaks 4800, then only we can expect a trend reversal, but right now it seems that gold is under pressure. So if gold recovers, listen to me carefully, okay, if gold recovers also but fails to break 4765, then you can expect gold to remain sideways. It means that if gold bounces also from here, recovers also, but fails to cross this black line here, this level 4765, then gold will remain sideways or choppy. But right now it seems that okay, gold is in heavy selling pressure, there's a good chance that we will get a sell below 4765. But before that, there's a possibility of a one time bounce. So let's wait and watch. I do not have any position. Usually I share if I have any open position, but right now I do not have any open position. Okay, I would like to watch for few hours. Okay, to be honest, this is a support zone, but I'm not getting the confidence right now to buy here. Okay, so maybe I'll wait for some consolidation here. And one more thing I would like to discuss here is that, okay, my dear friends, keep in mind that 4700 was a support, okay, and we had a gap down opening. Market doesn't like gaps. Market doesn't like gaps. So during the day or during the European session, US session, if there is a sudden change in the market, gold is full of surprises, isn't it? Gold हमेशा surprise देता है. Okay, if market goes up, okay, we can look for a buy above 4700 or around 4703 as well, because market will fill the gap. Gold gap को fill करेगा. Okay, so if gold tries to fill the gap, we can look for a buy there as well. But right now sellers are in dominance and 4700 is far away. Okay, let's wait and watch. Okay, and again I'm repeating, before a sell position below 4650, try to look for consolidation. Okay, because if a consolidation comes, okay, then it will be more strong. Okay, so that's all from my side, my friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care and be careful, okay, with your positions. That's really much. Okay, oh, I forgot to show the articles. See, gold slips as Trump rejects Iran response. Gold prices fell below 4700 an ounce on Monday, giving back part of last week's gains after President Donald Trump rejected Iran's response to his peace proposal as totally unacceptable, sustaining concerns over inflationary pressures. Gold falls on renewed inflation concerns. So gold falls in early Asian trade on renewed concerns over inflation stemming from a rise in crude oil prices. So if you're wondering why gold is under pressure, then this is the reason. Okay, this is the reason why gold is under pressure. And while we are talking about gold, we can see that gold is crushing the support right now. Okay, so chances of a bounce seems to be less. That's why I always tell you guys that always keep in mind that though we have many levels on the chart, but levels are not permanent. So we need to be extra careful and we cannot trade blindly because we are traders, not gamblers. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.